Okay, I'll be sharing about the cylinder lubrication in Tagalog version with our good crew. Asan tayo kanina? Okay, live tayo ngayon. Oh. Live, tungkol natin, teaching natin. Sige. Katulad na sabi natin kanina, isa-isahin natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng mga feed rate factor, fuel oil, breakpoint, everything. So, intindihin natin kung anong meron dyan. What is the formula? Sige, start muna tayo sa nominal feed rate. What is the formula of nominal feed rate? Okay. Feed rate factor times fuel oil is equal to nominal feed rate. Okay. Then, how about the actual feed rate?
Feed rate adjust factor times nominal feed rate.
Okay.
Nominal feed rate times
Minimum feed rate.
Okay. So, ang actual feed rate pala is feed rate adjust factor times nominal feed rate or minimum feed rate. Bakit may or? Dalawa ba o isa lang yung formula natin?
dalawa lang sir, pero which is higher yung mas.
Yes, parang dalawa siya, no?
Yes, sir.
Kasi there's a rule between the minimum feed rate and nominal feed rate, whichever is higher. So, with the minimum feed rate is higher, katulad halimbawa dito. Halimbawa dito, sa sitwasyon natin na to, minimum feed rate is 1.5 while the nominal feed rate is 0.4. Ngayon, which is higher? 1.5, right? So, ang magiging formula ng actual feed rate natin ngayon is feed rate adjust factor times minimum feed rate. It's because of the rule, whichever is higher. What if yung nominal feed rate mo is naging 1.2 and yung minimum feed rate is 1.0?
Una sir.
Okay. So, ang magiging formula mo naman is feed rate adjust factor times nominal feed rate. So, doon, yun yung pagkakaiba niya, no? Always with the rule. Always take note the rule. Whichever is higher. Okay. Kung mapapansin nyo, mayroon tayong LCD. What does it mean by LCD?
Load change dependent.
Okay. Load change dependent. Okay. Ngayon, saan nag-on ang off itong LCD natin? Kailan?
Pag tumakbo na yung nag-change ng RPM or load sir, saka siya nag-off kasi meron siyang setting na mas 1.25% ito sir.
Okay.
Sa pagkakaalala ko.
Yes, papanood mo yung kan ha. Ngayon, mapapansin nyo, kapag naka-off ang LCD, the actual feed rate is 100%. While engine is running, nakita nyo, oy, naka-LCD off. The actual feed rate mo is 100%. Pero napansin nyo ba nag-on? Pag naka-on ang LCD, your actual feed rate will be about 125% of yung actual feed rate mo talaga. Meaning to say, halimbawa tumatakbo na tayo, LCD off. Sa tingin nyo, dito sa kwan natin na to, sa picture natin na to, sa display, what will be your actual feed rate? Basis sa formula natin kanina.
Yes, sir. 100% sir.
Sa kwan natin sa display na to, pag tumakbong main engine natin, do you think what will be your actual feed rate? Oh, we have a formula kanina.
Yes sir. Nominal feed rate times feed rate factor or minimum feed rate times nominal feed rate.
So, based dito, what will be our actual feed rate?
100% sir.
Yes. Ilan siya? 1.3, 0.4, ilan?
1.5.
Yes, 1.5.
Yes sir.
Kasi whichever is higher, right?
Whichever is higher.
With the minimum feed rate. Pag tumakbo ang main engine natin, ang makikita nyo rito, 1.5 grams kilowatt hour. Ngayon, kapag naka-off ang LCD. Pero kapag nag-on ang LCD, ilan ang makikita nyo rito?
Times 1.25 and 1.5 sir.
Ilan kaya? 1.87?
1.87 sir.
Yes. So, 1.5 times 125% siya.
Yes, sir.
No? So, para bang, ilan ang 25% ng 1.5? 0.37?
27.
So, 1.5 plus 0.37 is equal to 1.87.
Yes, sir.
So, that is the 125%. O, para bang, nag-additional ka ng 25%. Okay. Doon sa actual feed rate mo. So, naging 1.87. So, kapag tumakbo na ngayon ang main engine nyo at naka-on ang LCD, makikita nyo ito is naka 1.87. Kapag nag-off na yung LCD nyo, then makikita nyo rito is 1.5 na dito.
Yes, sir.
Liwanag tayo.
Yes, sir.
So, nakikita nyo ba meron tayong part load control, the RPM? Minsan nagbabago siya. Anong kanya? Anong pumapalit sa kanya? Torque.
Yes, sir. Torque.
Torque. Okay. Kailan siya nagbabago?
Same, sir. Pag-change ng RPM.
Pag-change ng RPM. Okay. Going back muna rito sa LCD pala. Sorry, I missed. Ang LCD natin, nag-on, nag-off when you are changing load. Halimbawa, gumagalaw ka ng telegrapo. Either nag-increase ka or nagdi-decrease ka ng telegraph, ng load mo, ng RPM mo, is nag-on and nag-off ang LCD. Nag-on siya when you change yung load mo ngayon, nag-increase ka or nag-decrease sa telegrapo mo. Automatically, mag-on siya. Pero there are some instances, but kung very fine yung pagkaka-adjust mo, napaka-konti ng galaw, yung pag-i-increase or nagdi-decrease mo, kita mo hindi siya gumagalaw. Pero kapag medyo malaki yung galaw ng increase at saka decrease mo, it will automatically on the LCD. Okay. Ngayon, naka-on siya. Kailan siya mag-off? When the load is steady for about 30 minutes, hindi ka na gumagalaw, and it will automatically off. Automatically off. Okay. Klaro tayo doon.
Yes, sir.
Then, how about for the part load control? Ngayon, may nakikita kang breakpoint. What does it mean by breakpoint? Actually, hindi lang kasi siya makon eh. Hindi lang siya matouch. No, lalabas dito kasi kapag no? Kapag naka-on, no, ipinapaliwanag niya rito na ang breakpoint is not pertaining to the engine load.
Yes, sir.
It pertains for the fuel index. Dito. So kung makikita mo, abot siya ng 40%. This is the breakpoint. So hindi ito pertaining sa engine load. It pertains to the fuel index. Kaya kung babantayan nyo, when you run the engine, at nakikita nyo, uy, yung fuel index ko, halimbawa, ilagay mo sa kabilang, dyan sa display na yan. Ito naman is nandito sa operation display. When the fuel index reach 40 and above, you will see magpapalit na ngayon yung part load control mo. Ito torque.
Pag
Oh.
lumagpas pala,
Lumagpas sa 40, sir, papalit na
saka papalit yung
Yes.
RPM sa torque.
So, ito yung kanya. Ito yung reference kanya ng fuel index. The breakpoint pertains not to the MCR, the engine load, it pertains to the fuel index. Okay. So, klaro tayo rito. Ngayon, running in. Kapag napunta kayo sa Hitachi, it has a different setting. No? During the sea trial, Hitachi, andito ang setting nila. Nakalagay rito 1.5, dito naman sa feed rate factor nasa 0.40 or 0.34 na lang. So, magkaiba. Dito, doon sa Hitachi, naka 0 to or naka 1.0. Then, ang running in nila ang may value. But sa Mitsui, baliktad, naka-off na ang running in. And there's some part in the manual nakasulat doon, running in should be kept off forever. Buti pa yung makina may forever. Okay. So, in some, nakalagay doon ginagalaw natin ang running in kapag nagpapalit tayo ng piston, nag-overhaul tayo. But in us, we are recommending na keep it off na lang. Dito na lang tayo gumalaw. Anong mangyayari kapag dito tayo naglagay sa running in? Kung anong in-enter mo dito sa running in, it overrides the formula. Kung anong inilagay mo rito, kung 1.5, that is 1.5. Kahit pag on LCD mo, wala nang, kahit magpalit ka ng sulfur content, is still 1.5. Whatever you enter dito, yun siya. It overrides the formula. Okay. But for the LCD, sorry no, for the LCD kapag naka-on, magpapalit pa rin sa 125. But yung formula natin, sa nominal feed rate, times feed rate adjust factor, mawawala na yung formula na yon. Kung anong in-enter mo dito sa running in, it will be your actual, no? Actual feed rate. Ngayon, sana man nakuha itong feed rate factor. Feed rate factor. Okay. Nandito sa manual, pinatungan. Sorry. Sige. Pakibukas words. So, tingnan natin itong manual. Nakita nyo, mayroon tayong BN100, BN40. Now, you were using anong BN?
BN70, right?
BN70. Kaso wala man tayong BN70. BN100 and BN40 lang.
Yes, sir.
Then, kailangan natin kunin yung BN70. Okay. How to get the BN70? 0.40 times 100 divided by 70. That's BN70. BN.
Oh, okay.
Ilan? 0.4 times 100 divided by BN, which is BN70. Ilan?
70, sir, no?
Yep.
0.57.
Ooh.
Wala
That's
yun.
it. 0.57. Right? So, yung pala nakukuha yung 0.57. Klaro tayo?
Yes, sir.
Sir, paano yun?
Ha?
Divided mo sa bilhin ng 70.
Paano yung formula natin? Okay. So, tanong. Paano yung formula?
0.40.
Okay, 0.40 times 100 divided by BN, which is yung BN na gamit ng cylinder lubrication natin o yung cylinder oil natin is BN40, right? BN70. So 0.40 times 100 divided by 70 is equal to 0.57. So ayun na ngayon yung nakikita natin sa MOP natin. Klaro tayo?
Hello, sir.
Isa pa.
Ayos na lang.
Okay. Thank you for this lesson for the cylinder lubrication. Now with this handsome guys, yan, sa kasama ko. Wash out na, wash out. Ayan, ayan. Wash out. Thank you, thank you.